As we have learned all the 28 letters, it's time for us to revise all the letters together. Okay? So, let's read Alif, Ba, Ta, Thaa, Jeem, Ha, Khaa, Daal, Dzaal, Ra, Za, Sheen, Sheen, Swaad, Dwaad, Twaa, Dzwaa, Ayin, Ghayin, Faa, Qaaf, Kaaf, Laam, Meem, Noon, Vav, Haa, Ya. Alright? Now we'll say one word with each of the letters. Okay? Alif for Asadun means lion. Ba for Baitun means home. Ta for Tufahatun means apple. Thaa for Tha'labun means fox. Jeem for Jamalun means camel. Ha for Himarun means donkey. Khaa for Khubzun means bread. Daal for Dajajatun means chicken. Dzaal for Dhi'bun means wolf. Ra for Rumanun means pomegranate. Zaa for Zarafatun means giraffe. Sheen for Samakun means fish. Sheen for Shayun means tea. Swaad for Sandukun means box. Dwaad for Zabu'un means hyena. Thaa for Tiflun means baby. Zwaa for Zarfun means envelope. Ayin for Asalun means honey. Ghayin for Ghazalun means gazelle. Faa for Filun means elephant. Qaaf for Quflun means lock. Kaaf for Kursiyun means chair. Laam for Laymunun means lemon. Meem for Ma'un means water. Noon for Nasrun means eagle. Vav for Waladun means boy. Ha for Hadiyatun means present or gift. Ya for Yadun means hand. Okay, now we will guess the letters alphabetically. Okay, the first was Alif for Asadun. Second is Ba for Baitun. Third is Ta for Tufahatun. Fourth is Thaa for Tha'labun. Fifth is Jeem for Jamalun. Sixth is Ha for Himarun. Seventh is Khaa for Khubzun. Eighth is Daal for Dajajatun. Ninth is Dzaal for Dhi'bun. 10th is Ra for Rumanun. 11th is Za for Zarafatun. 12th is Sheen for Samakun. Next is Sheen for Shayun. Next is Swaad for Sandukun. Next is Dwaad for Dabu'un. Next is Twaa for Tiflun. Then Dzwaa for Zarfun. Then Ayin for Asalun. Then Ghayin for Ghazalun. Then Faa for Filun. Then Qaaf for Quflun. Then Kaaf for Kursiyun. Then Laam for Laymunun. Then Meem for Ma'un. Then Noon for Nasrun. Then Vav for Waladun. Then Ha for Hadiyatun. And finally Ya for Yadun. Very nice. So these are all the 28 letters of Arabic, and this is the end of lesson number 1, Arabic alphabet. In the next lesson, we'll learn the body parts in the Arabic. See you in the next lesson.